We love Scott's Flat.
And if you love the lake too, you're gonna love today's property.
And if you like mountain biking,
my face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon at time. You are not around, slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the wave after wave, wave after.
3 beds, 3.5 baths, over 3,000 square feet with
your very own flex space. Oh.
My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon at time. You are not around, slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting.
Relax on this oversized concrete deck.
also used as covered boat storage. And enjoy 5 acres of usable space
with room to garden.
And you're just on the road from a quick bite
And a cold drink at the 5 Mile House restaurant.
to see this home or any other homes in the area, or if you're thinking about selling, please reach out.
We'd love to connect.
Wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting.
We love Scott's Flat. You like mountain biking? Mountain biking.
3.5 baths, over 3,000 square feet with
A drink at the 5 Mile House restaurant. That almost. I love you, man.
holy